Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with the essential checks so you get immediate results. First, swipe down and push the brightness slider up. This directly controls the backlight. Once done, make sure low power mode is off because it forces a dimmer screen to save battery. Next, go to Settings Accessibility Display and Text Size and turn off Auto Brightness. Your iPhone otherwise adjusts based on the ambient sensor. Doing these steps removes software limits before deeper fixes. Once the basics are set, move into the nuanced settings that often hide dimming behavior. Turn off night shift and true tone to rule out color and warmth changes that feel like low brightness. If your iPhone has Face ID, disable attention-aware features because the device may lower brightness when it thinks you are not looking. Then update iOS and reboot. If software corruption persists, reset all settings to clear problematic configurations without erasing data. To finish, verify it's not a hardware fault. Clean around the front camera area so the ambient light sensor isn't blocked, and remove any case or protector. Test at full brightness in a dark room and compare to another phone. Use flashlight to ensure backlight responds. If brightness still stays low after a restore, it's likely a sensor or backlight issue. Troubleshooting tip: if the screen is uneven or flickers, contact Apple or an authorized repair. Do not attempt in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.